Choo-choo! Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, it is time to hop on board the Dollar Tree Thankful Christmas train. That's right, we're all getting back together. We're hopping on board, we're ready to pull out. They're fixing to shout, all aboard, and we're gonna head out of here with our crew. And our channel creators are Laura Wooten Reviews, Katie's Corner of the World, Reviews with Sue, Unboxing with Arlene, Favorites with Laura, Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing, Beauty and More, Single Mom Reviews, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, Lori's Life, and Faye Blatcher. And guys, we are missing our sweet little Brandy, but hey, she has a brand new grandson, so I would like for you all to go over to Simply Southern Bells, Vlogs and More and give her a special congratulation on her sweet baby boy, grandson that is, and she has been taking care of him, and we all know the time that it takes and the care, and we know that we would not want her to miss one part of that. So she will join us on our future Dollar Tree trains. But as for today, we are going to go through our little shopping spree. And before I get to that, I do want to shout out a special thank you to Tracy. Tracy of Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing, Beauty and More does our advertising for us. She takes them and creates them. I may give an idea, but she brings it to life and she does a wonderful job. And I appreciate you so much, Tracy. A special thank you to you. And as we get on this train and get on board, I also want to thank all the ladies who are participating, who will go out and go shopping and find the 10 items that we are going to show. And this is Thankful Christmas, and we are to choose 10 items, and they can be all for Thanksgiving, they can be all for Christmas, or it can be a mix of Christmas and Thanksgiving fall type decor. These are items that you'll be able to find at your local Dollar Tree store, and we advertise that we go all over the country, so to speak, because all of us are spread out. We live in different parts of the United States, and that gives you opportunity to find out what could be in your local Dollar Tree store. Now, I am going to show the thankful part, and of course we're always thankful, and Thanksgiving is coming up. I do want to mention that there will be a giveaway at the end of this video, and each channel will have a giveaway, and there will be one winner per channel, so you can enter all. You need to enter, and please make a comment on all videos whether you want to enter or not. It just helps all of our algorithms, and if you want to share this out to a friend, feel free to do so. But my first item that I found in the thankful category was this thankful pumpkin, and it has a burlap strap here that you can hang it up with. All of my items I think were $1.25. I might have one that was more, and I'll let you know, but this was a pumpkin that says thankful blessed. And I just thought that was really pretty and appropriate for Thanksgiving. And if you're still shopping for Thanksgiving, you may be able to find that in your local Dollar Tree store. Now, the second thing I found was this 'Tis the Season to Be Thankful. And of course, it has the pumpkin pie on there. And oh, one other thing I forgot to mention, we do like it if you'll number our hauls, our personal hauls, 1 to 10, based on how you like our hauls. And it's not a competition within the channels. It is only for fun. And if you would participate and give us a rating, we sure would appreciate it. Back to number 2, I have Fall, 'Tis the Season to Be Thankful. And it is. Thanksgiving's coming up. We get pumpkin pie, pecan pie, and all that good stuff. I also found a little paint set with a pumpkin, and it's got paints with it and a little paintbrush for a little project. And I have a granddaughter that loves to paint and do art, so she's going to love doing this. So Briley, I expect this to be a beautiful pumpkin, which I know it will. And then I'm on to Christmas, so I must have only bought 3 items for Thanksgiving because I'm only seeing 3 here. So we're going to move on to the next items that I found, and we're going to start off with some signs, and you'll see that I found something that will match up with my Christmas decor. If you'll just look right there, I've got the Merry Christmas, I've got the buffalo pattern going on, and I found this cute little gnome, and you can see I have a gnome there, and I got this to match up with my buffalo Merry Christmas decor. Along with that, I found another sign, and this is Home for the Holidays, and it is also in the buffalo pattern around it, and I just thought that was adorable. What do you think? And it matches up. It's going to look really good with my theme. The next item I found will also go with my checkerboard buffalo pattern, and it is a doorknob hanger with a little bit of, I guess, green fir or cedar with a little pine cone, and then it has little jingle bells. And isn't that so cute? And it's kind of got a tip on it like it's a tie. So isn't that so very cute? And to go along with that, I was able to find some checkered pattern plate that says the most wonderful time of the year, and a cup to match Home for the Holidays. So this is a set that we can set out for milk and cookies for Santa Claus, and or just have it out for some decor, maybe put some flowers inside there or some candy canes. Wouldn't that look cool? I had to get me another little gnome, and this little guy, I think he might have been, no, he was $125. So everything that I purchased was $125 at the Dollar Tree store. So very affordable and fun decorations that we can use. And I have one more item, and it's right here, and it is this cute little tree, and I wish I would have got more. You have to put in 2 AAA batteries, and I did it already, and I'm going to turn it on for you guys. But isn't that pretty? It changes colors. So you can have a lighted tree. Of course it's white, so any color, there it goes into blue, and it was green, and then it's going to change again into another green color. But isn't that pretty? And it's really growing strong. Over here there's blue. Very, very nice. So those were my 10 items. So what do you think? Let's go back through them again. I had the Christmas tree, I had the saucer and the big mug for Home for the Holidays, and that could even be for Thanksgiving because a bunch of us will be coming home. What a wonderful time of the year. I had my gnome, I had my little door hanger that matches up with my gnome Merry Christmas with the buffalo pattern. And of course we had our Home for the Holidays. And for Thanksgiving we're going to do us a little craft. We're going to have us a fun fall's thankful season, and we're going to have us a thankful and blessed pumpkin. So let me know, what's your favorite item out of the things that I found, and are there anything that I got that you may want to go check out your Dollar Tree store for? Now what's my giveaway? For my giveaway, and it's going to include this table runner that says Home Sweet Home. You're going to get this Christmas bag that you can use for a gift bag and or for shopping and or for storing. It's a nice little bag, and I want you to be able to get ready for the holidays. So we're going to go with a few little items here. I do have a little coin purse for you here that you can use, that has got a nice pretty design in it. I will tell you that this is from another country. I got it out of my discovery box from Undiscovered Artisans. You're going to get an eyeglass cleaner. You're going to get makeup. That's right, there's a little bit of perfume. You're going to get some Fame perfume. You're going to get some mascara, Loritzi bronzer, get some CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define, and it comes with a little sharpener, which is handy. A Profusion eyeliner, and I think this is a liquid eyeliner. You're going to get some brow gel, and the brow gel is right here. It's 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and you got to have a bright red lipstick. This is red, it's never been opened. And then also you're going to receive an Earth Harbor, and this is Calypso, and this is a rejuvenating moisture elixir with sea berry. So, and this is what it looks like. So it's very pretty. Earth Harbor always has such nice packaging. And then, I haven't forgotten your eyes. You're going to dazzle them up with the Wanted Trend Beauty palette. This is a beautiful neutral palette. It's got some shimmers and mattes. you'll have this. Aren't those beautiful colors? I just love that. So pretty. What do you have to do to enter my giveaway? You have to be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to each and every channel, and we will check. YouTube and our Dollar Tree are not responsible in any shape or form for this giveaway. All the items in here I have purchased on my own and I'm giving to you. Be sure and test a small area of anything that you could be allergic to. I am not responsible for allergic reactions. I am not responsible for any damage, breakage, or if it gets lost. I will give you a shipping tracking number so that you can follow it through. Now, the other thing that you might want to know, a code word. Use the word thankful and you will be entered into my giveaway. The giveaway will end on November 26th and it will be good for 2 weeks, and we will start drawing winners on the 26th and announcing within that next week or so. But as for today in the Dollar Tree train, I think that's about it, and we're fixing to pull up to the station and load and unload our new travelers. So as for Dollar Tree and the Thankful Christmas train, that's all I have, and we'll be sure and see you all next year sometime with the Dollar Tree train. I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and a very Merry Christmas, and as usual I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.